So when I got off work, my car sounded like this. Can you hear it? Okay. So someone gave me a jump with their battery pack, and I came straight here so they can see how my battery or start or alternate or whatever I need. So let's get ready to go inside. He touched my battery with this equipment and it was dead.
Little simple battery. Sure. Yeah.
Yeah, I had the battery since 2018. So what's that? 6, 7, 8 years battery.
And that's a 2-year warranty. So you got. The closing date. Wide open. How was we gonna know what adapter we need?
All right, family. So this is Roberto. He was the one working on my car, in case you were wondering. One of my former students. Thank you. It's been a minute. Yeah, it has.
Quite a while.
All right, thank you. Okay, family. So I am good to go. Roberto has gotten me straight. Let's listen to it. You hear it? And that's how it cranked up this morning. On the dime, no problem, no warning at all. Yes, it was 34 degrees this morning, but anyhow, like I said, it didn't give me any warning sign. But from what he said, it was a 2018 battery, and then it's 2026. So that battery serves me well. So I got the new one with a 3-year warranty, and we're good to go. Whoop, whoop. Time to hit the road. Family, did you hear that? That battery was a 2018 and then it's 2026. So I had that battery for 8 years. Ooh. Look, this was unexpected because it didn't give me any warning signs, but I can't complain because like I said, I had that battery for 8 years. So it's well, I had over my money's worth out of it. So the battery I got now set me back $226, but that's fine because, hey, it's lasting and that's all that counts. It's part of general maintenance, upkeep. We had checked it out when it got real cold. Back here 2 months ago, it was running fine. So I can't complain at all. Just thank the Lord that I had the money for to fix it. Thank the Lord, when I was up in Richmond, somebody had the battery charger. So everything worked out. And I came straight here to O'Reilly where I could get them to test it. And he said, yeah, it's dead. And I bought the battery and you saw he installed it in for me. So thank you, Roberto. Whew. Family, if you haven't subscribed yet, then what you waiting for? Go ahead, subscribe, smash that like button, okay? Share it out with other people and follow along. Thank you. Have a great day.